All right, so let's introduce my right seat passenger. Hailing all the way from Switzerland. By the way, somebody Instagrammed me and said, I'm from Switzerland too, and I'm watching your Instagram stories.
Ah, I love that. I love that.
So in my right seat today, I've got
Simon from Switzerland.
Simon from Switzerland. So, Simon, are you a private pilot? I can't remember.
I am, yeah.
Okay, so you are here as a high school exchange student.
Yeah, that's right.
States.
That's right.
Came all the way over here to fly with Premier 1 driver, huh?
Yeah, was one of the goals.
So you already flew down with us from Indy to Orlando, and now we're reversing that.
Yeah.
How'd the flight down go this morning?
It was lots of fun, pretty smooth, not much weather at all, actually.
Yep.
Yeah, and I loved the FBO here. It was so much fun. So I was wearing like this yellow vest, right? Yep. And I was walking around, and I feel like the guys here, they thought I was like an actual co-pilot. So I was like in all the hangars, and they did not care at all. It was lots of fun.
All right, well, I'm gonna go grab my co-workers who are riding back with us today, and then we will be on our way. So welcome aboard, Simon.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Big guy coming through. Oh my gosh, I hit all kinds of stuff up overhead here. But there's nothing important up there. Did you mess with any switches while I was gone?
Maybe.
It'll be for me to find out, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So once we get started, you want a taxi?
Sure. I'd love to. Before you get your engines going, do you need to request startup?
No.
No.
That's a European thing.
Ah, not a surprise.
Okay, you see where we're at? So we're probably going to come out Foxtrot, Kilo, Alpha to 7, just so you start thinking about where we're going to go.
All right, you said Foxtrot, Kilo.
So Foxtrot, Kilo,
Echo 4. Or that?
Yeah, whatever that is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's actually, yeah, you're right. That's Echo 4. We'll see what they call it. Orlando Ground Premier 390 Golf Mike, taxi with Delta from shelter.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Orlando, ticket to ground, runway 7, taxi via Foxtrot, Kilo, Echo 4.
Foxtrot, Kilo, Echo 4 to runway 7, 390 Golf Mike. Okay, I'm going to give it to you, bottles and all, so I'm going to have to give it a little bit of juice to get it going. That's me.
Then I just put it back into idle, right?
Yeah, but wait till you get moving.
It needs, yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah. Okay, now you can pull them back. Give it a good kick over there. Okay, so watch out for those cones over there. So you're going to go out Foxtrot, which is going to be over there.
Yeah.
While you're going, don't run into anything. I'm going to get the checklist done.
All right, there's no lines. So
No, there's no lines. You can just cowboy it.
All right.
in a second, but it's going to be a right turn on Kilo up here.
Yeah. I think I already connected to Stratus. That's nice.
Okay, so there you are, Foxtrot. I could get used to this. Somebody taxiing me around. 1177 1043. Okay.
Right turn.
Right turn on Echo 4, as you predicted.
Trying to taxi nice and smooth so that the passengers feel kind of safe.
That's all right. They're not paying for this flight. It was this or the airlines.
All right.
Executive Tower, Premier 390 Golf Mike, hold short of runway 7. We are ready in sequence.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Orlando Executive Tower, turn left heading 055, runway 7, clear for takeoff. Just be advised on a helicopter with a beam south of runway 7 at all times.
390 Golf Mike, clear for takeoff, runway 7 and 055 on the heading. We'll watch for the traffic, Sir Golf Mike. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take it from you.
All right, you got it.
Orlando Exec Tower, good afternoon, helicopter 344 Sierra Bravo, 10 miles northwest, inbound full stop, shelter. Colin Towers again. Helicopter 344 Sierra Bravo, 9 miles northwest, inbound full stop, shelter.
Helicopter 344 Sierra Bravo, roger, 500 feet, 9 miles northwest.
Affirmative, sir.
Sorry about that, I think that's southwest for a second. Landing at the western be at your own risk, wind 12010, altimeter 3018, helicopter 344 Sierra Bravo, and wind is 12010.
Copy all, 4 Sierra Bravo.
You can tell the heat really affects the performance.
November 7040 Quebec is holding short of runway 7 at Echo 4, ready for departure.
Sorry, 7040 Quebec, Orlando Executive Tower, left turn westbound approved, runway 7, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, and left turn westbound approved, 40 Quebec.
Sky 65624, wind 12010, runway 7, clear to
When do you usually turn on the yaw damper?
I go gear up, yaw damper on.
Okay.
Because you can see how much we're getting kicked around already.
Yeah.
390 Golf Mike, contact Orlando departure.
Sir Golf Mike, good day. Orlando departure, Premier 390 Golf Mike, 1000 climbing 1500.
Sir Golf Mike, I did maintain 1,500.
With a flash, 1500, Sir Golf Mike.
X454, setting 360.
Heading 360, connection 454.
Exit 463, fighting 270, connect Orlando 135.3.
70, 353, 463. Deployment connection 460, leaving 1500.
Pretty turbulent.
460, I did.
Yeah, more thermals than important.
Okay, let me get everything cleaned up here.
Orlando departure, connection 204, 700, climbing 1,500, heading 050. X 204, I did. Zero Golf Mike, climb maintain 2,000, fighting 030.
2000, 030, Zero Golf Mike. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heading back to 030. My altitude selector, I'm going to go to 2,000. I'm going to pitch the nose up slightly, give it a little power. It's only a 500-foot climb, so it's not much.
Section 454, turn left heading 270.
Left heading 270, connection 454.
Zero Golf Mike, fighting 360, higher 1 moment.
Heading 360, Zero Golf Mike. So I'm pretty severely throttled back here, so I don't exceed 250, plus getting it bounced around like this, it's no fun to do it at a higher speed, so it's just a little bit easier when you're throttled back.
Request.
Yeah.
And hello approach, citation 2550 Mike, 5,000, reducing speed to 210, information Delta. 50 Mike, Orlando Executive Delta, vector visual runway 7. Stacking 7 with Delta, 50 Mike. Zero Golf Mike, climb maintain 3,000.
3,000, Zero Golf Mike.
Section 454, Orlando 135.3.
460 on climb, you want me to climb to 2,500?
460, climb 2,500, clear to Bravo.
2,500, connection 460.
Little 4299, didn't say request. Connection Section 204, turn left heading 270, maintain 2,500.
So that's Sanford International.
Turn, you said west 270, 2,500. We're looking to go to the northeast, connection 204.
204, resume navigation to the northeast.
Resume on nav to the northeast, 2,500, connection 204.
0 Golf Mike, flighting 320, climb maintain 7,000.
320, 7,000, 0 Golf Mike.
429, identify request.
429, we're going to ident and we want to confirm that perfect Daytona.
429, clear to Daytona via direct, climb maintain 3,000.
429, clear to Daytona via direct, climb maintain 3,000.
Section 460, squawk via Fargo Day.
Via Fargo Day, connection 460.
Section 204, squawk via Fargo Day.
How usual is that type of departure?
Via Fargo Day, connection 204.
That's a very unusual departure.
Orlando, connection 220, we're cresting Monroe, via Papa.
Look at our climb rate.
Stand by.
Yoo-hoo.
Section 220, squawk 0315.
0315, connection 220.
0 Golf Mike, maintain 7,000.
7,000, 0 Golf Mike.
Sierra Mike, flighting 250, connect Orlando 135.3.
Wanted to kind of get above some of this stuff so we weren't bouncing around so much.
3535, Sierra Mike.
3535, Sierra Mike.
Wow.
220, radar connect, Monroe approved.
Awesome.
Monroe approved 220.
0 Golf Mike, direct worms, flight plan route.
Direct worms, 0 Golf Mike. Okay, so we go. Why don't you go ahead and do that for me? Direct worms.
Orlando, connection
Execute.
682, heading 050, 1,000.
Remember one other step.
Section 682, again, flighting 360, maintain 2,500.
Heading 360, 2,500,
Yep, so
connection
there we go.
682.
Turtle 429, flighting 075.
Turtle 429, 075.
Section 682, your radar contact, flighting 360, maintain 2,500.
360, maintain 2,500, connection 682.
0 Golf Mike, connect. Oh, hold on.
Okay, I'm going to give you this frequency change too. So when he gives it to us,
All right.
be ready for it. Here we go, some clouds moving our way through here.
0 Golf Mike, maintain 16,000.
16,000, 0 Golf Mike.
Golf Mike, connect Jack Center 126.35.
2635, 0 Golf Mike, good day.
Jacksonville Center, King Air 192 Fox with you at 190.
King Air 192 Foxtrot, Jack Center, roger.
Jack Center Premier 390 Golf Mike, 7.3 climbing 16,000.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Jack Center, climb maintain flight level 230.
Flight level 230, 0 Golf Mike. Okay,
Premier
Simon, go ahead.
390 Golf Mike, for
Yeah.
final altitude, do you want flight level 410 or flight level 390?
Flight level 410 is fine, 0 Golf Mike.
0 Golf Mike, I'll show that.
That flight level, right?
Flight
Yeah.
39
Yeah.
after 3.
So we're okay. Anything 18,000 and above is like flight levels here in the States.
Orland Beach. Frontier Flight 1239, Jack Center, roger.
I'm on flight level change, so it's going to hold at 240 knot airspeed. We've got 23,000 set.
1601.
Coming through 18,000 feet, we'll want to get our climb checks. I can always look over and see that the cabin's already pressurized.
United
That's,
1601.
at this point, the most important thing in my mind.
November 814 Alpha, clear direct Pac-Man. Direct Pac-Man for 814 Alpha.
So you can see that it's pressurizing because the pressure needle is rising, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's telling me that the cabin is pumping up. It's also telling me, the big hand is also telling me that the cabin altitude's at 1,000 feet.
Yeah, so it was like higher than, or our
Yeah.
altitude, then it will be.
Yeah, so if the cabin altitude is lower than our current altitude, then you know that there is some amount of pressurization occurring.
Yeah. I wonder if he could see that guy over there.
So let's see. Let's do
November
this.
902 Foxtrot, flight present heading.
Present heading, 192 Fox.
I'm going to go. That's pretty far out there. I don't know if it'll see. Let's go ahead and try it. Go ahead and run yours out to 100. Yeah, the outer ring. There you go.
What we usually have 100 miles, nautical miles.
Number 19er Foxtrot.
Might be showing up.
2 Foxtrot, clear direct Pogey.
Might be showing up.
Pogey, 190 Fox.
But I don't know what he's seeing in front of us, so like...
So that is, okay, so here I'm looking at this. It's 56 miles. So yeah, that's showing up right there. Oh yeah, yours is, so here, we need...
does it see the ground?
Yeah, that's showing
39, cross bomb at maintain 12,000 and 250 knots.
We can get it up a little bit.
3018.
But all that's cluster south that you have here.
So that's the ground, because here's the ocean right here. Here's the shore.
Uh-huh.
So that's showing me that's the shore. So I'm actually still looking at, my radar is actually still painting some of the ground.
37,
Yeah.
13 and a half, 16,000 heading north.
Even though we have it tilted up, right?
37,
Well,
right,
yeah, but we are, it's tilted up relative to the horizon, but 50 miles out, it's still, we're so low right now that it's still skimming and hitting some of that.
Yeah, yeah.
I can lift it up, but
Makes sense.
I don't want to change it at this point yet.
Yeah.
November 390 Golf Mike, contact Jack Center 127.47.
2747 Zero Golf Mike, good day.
South 1737, clear direct SHRKS.
Just checking to get all my checks done here. Jack Center Premier 390 Golf Mike 186 climbing flight level 230.
390 Golf Mike, Jacksonville Center. Very nice. I'm maintaining level 310.
Flight level 310 Zero Golf Mike. Yep.
Jax, good afternoon. United 1601, passing flight level 200 for 230. United 1601, Jacksonville Center, climbing table 330. Flight level 330.
Gosh, it's amazing how much traffic is coming down the coast.
We've had nothing.
I mean, look at all that.
Yeah, let's see. Right.
Yeah, you see it on your phone.
Wing 770, we're going to show
Oh,
310
yeah.
final today.
Wow.
770, copy. American 809, contact Jacksonville Center 132.42.
It switched by itself.
American 809.
I switched it.
Oh, when you did the checklist?
Yeah.
So when you click on the checklist button, it does it automatically?
No, I'm sorry. So you have to actually push this button to make it go to standard.
Ah.
See, so back here on the back of the yoke, you have the checklist that calls up. And then you come over here on the side, and you can scroll through.
This button here.
Actually, let me see. So here, let's go back out. So for you, it is this button right here on the back. So go ahead and click it. Okay, and then to advance, you come over here on this side.
Yeah.
And you click.
Oh wait, is it the one?
I'm sorry, just
Line advance. Oh, okay. So it does. Okay, makes sense. Cool. That's pretty neat. Because you don't need to look down.
2379, contact Jacksonville.
It's very helpful. For single pilot, it's very helpful. The airplane's set up very nicely for single pilot.
Yeah. I still have my checklist on paper.
Yeah.
And old school there.
Well, you know, we've got that here too. So if I wanted to do
1214,
paper, it's all right here.
I'm maintaining level 330.
Before taxi, there it all is. But it's just easier just to have it all up there.
For emergency situations, do you have it up there or?
Yeah, you have it up there or you have it here.
So let's say I click this button here.
Yep.
And
so you got to go to escape. You can go to emergency checklist. There you go. There's all your. Yeah.
200.
Select advance.
1737, Jack.
Whatever you want to do.
290.
Advance is.
So that this selects it also.
2738. Turn 15 degrees to the left for traffic. 15 left for traffic, Yellow 2738. Delta 360, Jacksonville Center.
It really falls to hand after you use it a few times, but even to try to explain it, I'm like, okay, where's that button at? You know?
Yeah.
It's
The 390 Golf Mike, City Rig, Louisville.
direct to Louisville, Zero Golf Mike. So this is going to be an interesting one. So go ahead and go direct. But you know what? Let's show the viewers this one.
All right.
All right. So we just got direct to Louisville. Louisville's not on that page. But see, this is page 1 of 3.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and go direct.
Have a great day.
All right, so it's not on that page. Let's go to the next page.
126.
Okay, there's Louisville right there, IIU.
That's at 1175,
do it.
table 350.
Go and execute.
Level 350, west at 1175.
And from this point, we just need to make sure that we're in nav mode, which we are.
Delta 2755.
FMS is nav mode.
7 miles northwest.
And now we are making the turn.
Oh, we got him now, Delta 2755, thank you.
Delta 2738, traffic 9 o'clock, 6 miles northeast, 7,000 feet left.
Delta 2738. Center United 1710, we're checking in 328 for 340.
United 1710, Jacksonville Center.
When you go back to Switzerland, you can tell your dad you can upgrade from the Malibu to a Premier now that you know how to do Proline 21.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him that. Yeah, he's gonna like it.
There's a nice view along the coast out there. See the eastern coast of Florida. So up there is going to be Jacksonville.
3597 Spearway 770.
This is the Atlantic Ocean, obviously.
It's basically one humongous beach.
Yeah, it is. It's very one long beach all the way down to
Jack Center, good afternoon.
Miami.
1242 out of 18.8 for
South
230.
Beach.
Tier 1242, Jacksonville Center, climbing chain level 330. 330.
Okay, so we're going to come off for a little while, then we'll get the cameras back on the descent end.
390 Golf Mike, climbing chain level 330.
Flight level 330, Zero Golf Mike.
Golf Mike, climbing chain level 370.
Flight level 370, Zero Golf Mike.
American 2211, climbing chain level 310.
310, request that as a final today, American 2211.
American 2211, we're showing that, maintain level 310.
Thank you.
Check Center Premier 390 Golf Mike 34, climbing flight level 410.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, check Center, roger.
Atlanta Premier 390 Golf Mike, flight level 410.
November 390 Golf Mike, Atlanta Center, roger.
How many hours do you fly here, usually?
200, 225, somewhere around there.
Delta 2893, contact line center 125.82, good day.
2582, Delta 2893.
Tony 125, descend to maintain, level 350.
Descend to maintain, level 350, Connie 15.
November 390 Golf Mike, traffic 1 o'clock, 8 miles westbound, 1,000 feet below your sign, Airbus 321.
We'll be looking for him, Sir Golf Mike. So he is straight out there, 6 miles. He's showing up on ADSB.
Red Lake 762, squawk 6647.
Too hazy to see him.
Roger, flight 1126, checking on flight.
Oh, there he showed up.
360.
Kind of at the end. There's his contrail. You really can't see him much.
I think the reason we didn't see him was because we had to, my VFD was because I had the radar going.
Descend to maintain, level 380.
Oh, yeah, you didn't have that. Well, you didn't have the, if you have the traffic called up in blue, it'll show up.
November 390 Golf Mike, contact Indy Center 134.67.
3467, Zero Golf Mike, you have a good one. Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, leveling, flight level 350.
November 390 Golf Mike, Indy Center, Roger. Descend and maintain flight level 340.
Flight level 340, Zero Golf Mike. Okay, somebody 2,200 feet above us.
That one.
Nice.
November 5102, descend and maintain flight level 240.
240, Never 5102.
So here, when we level off, push the throttles forward and you'll feel them fall into the D10.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and push them now.
Center southwest.
Boom.
Yeah.
So that's max continuous thrust.
Shop here at 340. Just wondering how the rides are in Phonak. So 3.0 up there.
Dallas 1535, should be working just some scattered light drops, all I've had reported. November 0 Golf Mike, contact Indy Center 133.05.
3305, Zero Golf Mike, good day. Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, flight level 340.
390 Golf Mike, Indy Center Roger. 390 Golf Mike, same Mach speed.
0.77, Zero Golf Mike.
Roger, if you would maintain Mach 0.76 or less.
Okay, we'll throttle back, 76 or less, Zero Golf Mike.
Indy Center, UPS.
We're running over one of the big boys out in front of us.
Flight level 230.
UPS 2334, Indy Center Roger, climb maintain flight level 330.
Climbing to 330, UPS 2334.
So 154 nautical miles out, 28 minutes.
390 Golf Mike, set a maintain flight level 270, maintain 2,000 feet or greater in the descent.
Flight level 270, 2,000 feet per minute or greater, Zero Golf Mike.
Envoy 4020.
Okay, so go ahead and hit vertical speed.
30 knots or greater.
And down.
300 knots or greater
And
at the
push that
transition.
arrow down to 2,000. Or 2.
Delta 1657, just fly heading of 300, and I'll have that for you in a moment.
Okay, right now heading 300, Delta 1657.
885 Kilo Tango,
Okay, you
climb
want
maintain
to go
flight
to
2,000.
3,000?
Yep, there you go.
340 Kilo Tango.
So,
390 Golf Mike, contact City Center 124.77.
2477, Zero Golf Mike, good day.
010.
3010, landing to the northeast.
I almost put it in too fast.
Yeah, you were pretty quick on that one. He was...
But you were like almost done.
Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, 27.2, descending flight level 240.
November 390 Golf Mike, Indy Center, Roger. Cross DC at maintain 14,000, or Indianapolis out, 3010.
DC at 14,000, 3010, Zero Golf Mike. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this up. So he's given us DC at 14,000. So
Okay.
we're gonna, so go ahead and give me 14000. And we're gonna put it over there, yep. Okay, so go ahead and execute it. All right, come up here and hit VNAV.
Let's see. Oh, here we go.
Yep. So now we can also tell just by looking at this that we are descending at a rate greater than what we need to cross DC at 14,000 feet. So at this point, what I would do is go ahead and decrease the rate of descent to be above that circle. And let's go ahead and put the altitude selector to 14,000 feet. So go ahead and spin that to 14,000. So now we've told the autopilot that it's okay to go down to 14,000 feet. We're in vertical navigation, so the airplane will vertically navigate there. We're going to come in and we are going to intercept this 3-degree glide slope, which the airplane is then going to track down to cross DC at 14,000 feet.
1,100. Scattered. Ceiling 6,000. Broken. Temperature 15 Celsius. 2.12. Altimeter 3011. Lightning distance northwest. Runway 36 is the calm and crosswind runway.
Okay, we're going to do the visual approach. I'm going to change it. We're going to do the visual to 1.8 based on the winds. Plus, that'll give you a chance. I'll let you do a little flying.
Ah, that sounds great.
Performance, approach, 110 at 11 degrees. Next, send.
Is there ice inside of the window?
So that is basically the humidity that is frozen against the window. So yes, that is ice.
Ah.
And it will melt off. You can already see it melting off. You can see that.
You can even feel how it's warmer here than...
Yeah. Wow. Now we're starting to warm up as we're descending. You can see that the skin, the exterior of the aircraft is 2 degrees Celsius, although the saturated air temperature is minus 18. That's why you're seeing that start to melt off.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and set 3011.
300 Golf Mike, normal speed.
Say that again, Zero Golf Mike.
0 Golf Mike, resume normal speed.
Normal speed, Zero Golf Mike, thanks.
Number 390 Golf Mike, contact Indianapolis approach 121.1.
1211, Zero Golf Mike, good day. Yep.
Wisconsin 835 out.
Wonder how that frequency got there.
Christian, turn right heading 200.
Heading 200, Wisconsin 835 Alpha.
It's not the first time I've flown this route.
South 493, advise the field
Yeah, I see.
Inside Southwest 493. South 493. Clear approach, runway 5 left. Maintain their separation. The heavy Boeing 76. Contact the tower 120.9. Clear for the visual 5 left, Southwest 493. Good.
Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike 17,000 across DECEE at 14.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Indy approach, maintain 10,000. Expect the visual approach and advise the weather.
10,000, we do have the weather, Zero Golf Mike.
You know what's so great about making a video
Towards 311, no problem, I just missed
about
the
this
call.
flight?
Expect runway
What's
5
that?
right.
I don't have to worry about taking pictures.
Exactly.
Envoy 4020, turn left heading at 270, descending maintain.
Yeah, I'll make a video for you. I won't even charge you.
Yeah, it's awesome.
270 down to 4,000 envoy 420. I'm sorry, 8,000 envoy 420.
And like a lot of the viewers, you can feel free to give me all kinds of advice on how to improve my pre-video.
Sure, will do.
8,000, please.
Yeah, 8,000 heading at 200 envoy 420.
Alright, sorry, Envoy 4020, might have misspoke. 270 on the heading, please, and 8,000.
270 on the heading, it's down to
Most of my viewers are really
envoy 40.
good. They don't,
Wisconsin 835
they don't
Alpha,
critique
maintain
too much.
9,000.
900,000, Wisconsin 835 Alpha.
AC 4113, descend and maintain 7,000.
I said it wrong to 10,000 feet.
What did he clear us to?
At 11,000 feet.
Then I changed it. I
All
did it wrong.
allowance expected tailwind down at 3,000 at 2,500. It switches to a crosswind. The field wind is 110 at 12.
I think he
Good
said.
catch.
I think he said 11,000 because I moved it to 11,000.
Yeah, you did move it to 11. I thought he said 10.
I hope I didn't mess up.
Let's find out.
Yeah.
Let's find out. So,
Envoy 4020, descend and maintain 5,000.
So maintain 5,000 envoy 4020.
Indy Premier 0 Golf Mike, I want to confirm the altitude we're going to. Is it 11 or 10?
10, sir, for Premier 0 Golf Mike, 10,000.
10 to 10,000, 0 Golf Mike.
Wisconsin 835.
Okay, shame on you.
Descend and maintain 6,000.
Yep, that one's on me.
Going to cause an international incident. So I got my descent check done.
66.5. Yep, you can delete the speeds, but as soon as you can.
How do I move through from standby to weather?
So you go, hit the button.
Okay, it doesn't see anything. Okay.
Envoy 4020,
We are
reduce speed to
pretty
170.
high.
Reduce speed 170 envoy 4020.
There's international straight out in front of us.
Here in 3 miles.
Runway 13 is straight out there.
Do you ever go to International?
Wisconsin 835 Alpha, turn right heading 230.
Every once in a while.
Heading 230, Wisconsin 835 Alpha.
What would be a reason why to go there?
The weather, well, most recently I went there because the wind was about a 50 knot crosswind
Oh, wow.
at Executive.
Yeah.
So I landed International.
Booster
Yeah, it's-
512, going to maintain 6,000.
My ground speed on the approach was like 65 knots. It was unbelievable how slow it was.
Wow.
Because of the wind.
Oh, that's amazing, yeah.
Freecom 60, 65.
Surprised we are up this high.
When I landed, there's some type of FBO as well, right? And
Yeah, they have
like,
millionaire in the signature.
they have like a couple premieres as well.
Yeah, they've got, right next to Millionaire is Beechcraft, so they've got a maintenance facility there.
They do your maintenance at Executive.
Yes, that and up at Rockford, Illinois.
Freecom 60, 65, field 2 o'clock and 7 miles. Freecom 60, 65, cliff edge, pressure line 5 right. Premier 0 Golf Mike, send to maintain 8,000.
8,000, Zero Golf Mike.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, proceed direct executive.
Direct exec, Zero Golf Mike. All right, I'm going to take over.
AC 4113, turn left heading at 210. Envoy 4020, descend and maintain 3,000.
Just to maintain 3,000, envoy 4020.
Freecom 60, 65, tower 20.9.
And now we're gonna be high and close.
Yeah.
Airport.
Yeah, we'll get it fixed. So there's the speedway right there.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Envoy
Nice.
4020, turn right to 030, join 5 right, localizer, advise the field.
030, join 5 right, localizer, envoy 4020.
We might get a better view
5
here.
Alpha, turn left heading 140.
Heading 140, Wisconsin 835 Alpha.
AC 4113, descend and maintain 4,000. Premier 0 Golf Mike, descend and maintain 7,000.
7,000, Zero Golf Mike.
Still inside envoy 4020.
Envoy 4020, clippers, pressure line 5 right, your next speed exceed 170 knots.
Do not exceed 170, clear for the visual, 5 right, envoy 4020.
Envoy 4020, tower 20.9 today.
Over your tower, envoy 4020.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, descend and maintain 6,000, contact first 124.9.
Down to 6,000, 2495, Zero Golf Mike. Approach Premier 390 Golf Mike, 7,000, descending 6.
390 Golf Mike, Indy approach, Roger. Departure AC 4120, 2,500 for 5,000. 0 Golf Mike, descend maintain 3,000, airport is 12 o'clock and 15 miles of in sight.
Down to 3,000, we'll call the field, Zero Golf Mike.
AC 4122 departure, we're to contact.
Well, this really high approach is not helping. So, the thing about the trim is that you need to push this little button in before you start trimming.
3727,
Okay, sorry,
turn right,
push it
1
down.
8,
Okay, yeah.
commenting 3,000.
And it's going to be very heavy on the roll, and it's going to be pretty much very light on the pitch.
3736 heavy, contact Indy Center 124.52.
I see.
Yeah.
1766, descend maintain 7,000.
So, I'm going to turn the autopilot off. Okay, you don't have to do the rudders.
Bus 1103 departure.
Go ahead and get yourself on a left downwind for runway 18. Rudders will take care of themselves for the time being.
T 4122, turn right 140.
Left downwind, alright.
Turn 140, 4122.
Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, field inside, cancel an IFR.
398 Golf Mike, IFR cancellation received, quality 5, please improve, show multiple aircraft in the pattern at Indy Executives.
Roger that, see you, Zero Golf Mike.
Top is 2103, turn.
So you can go on down to 2,500 feet.
Okay. How far out do you want to head?
Executive traffic Premier 390 Golf Mike is 5 to the south, entering a left downwind runway 18. I hope everybody's on 18. How's it going?
2,500.
So go to about those oil tanks.
Okay.
Okay, and at 2,500 feet level off, we're going to start configuring.
Exact Diamond 945 Lima off runway 18 at Alpha 4. Taxi back to the ramp. 945 Lima.
Yep, there's going to be some nose up trim. Ready to put it in.
Still maintaining 2,000.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You can go ahead and start a gradual descent.
I'm gonna start turning base.
Not yet. Executive Traffic Premier 390 Golf Mike, turning left base, runway 18. Okay, go ahead. If you just roll out on heading a west. Yeah,
1,000.
Nice thing about the Midwest, every road runs north-south, east-west, so just pick up a road.
That's right. Alright, approach is clear.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and start your turn to final. Executive Traffic, Premier 0 Golf Mike, turn to final, runway 18. A little bit bigger pattern than the Archer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Got it.
Nice job. Yeah, that was pretty well trimmed up.
Thank you.
I didn't have to do, I don't think I had to touch it. Bit of a left crosswind, right? There we are. We needed to be 113 on our short final. Pretty much there. I think there's more than 10 knot crosswind. That was, felt like more.
It's the lift dump, it just... As soon as you hit it, it just sit down, sit down and brakes so much faster. That was so much fun.
Sir Golf Mike is cleared, executive. Okay. All right. Simon, you ready to taxi?
Sure. Got it.
Okay, 2 hours and two.
Traffic Cirrus 1415 informant departing runway.
2 hours and 2 minutes to add to your hour and 55 on the way down, so you got yourself nearly 4 hours of jet time. Not a bad way to.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Not a bad way to spend the day. 2160 on the fuel, 2,160 pounds of fuel, 748 nautical miles, 2 hours and 2 minutes.
I like how the controls feel. For like it being a jet. Makes sense.
Pretty solid. All right, so start getting your speed under control.
Want me to take the first or the second?
You take the second.
All right.
Nobody else is waiting there. So I'd go ahead and continue to slow down here. Yeah, it puts a fair amount of side load on the nose tire if you go cruising around a corner.
Yeah.
Pacific Uniform exiting the traffic pattern to the south, executive traffic.
We're gonna go
Oops.
to the left of that diamond. You see the guy?
Yeah. Oh yeah, let him say.
Yeah, and he's gonna have you pick up that crack in the pavement to the left of the line. There you go.
Yeah.
That's where he wants you to go. And I'll tell you what, because we're in tight quarters here, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. All right, so 2 flights.
2 flights, yeah.
Down to Florida and back, all in one day. Had pretty nice weather the whole way.
Yeah.
So, what are your thoughts?
Well, I love how routine you are. That's amazing to see. Because when I go flying, it like sometimes takes me a while. Like I stop for the run up. I have like it's just much slower.
Right.
Right. Even though it's less complex. Yep. So that was very interesting to see.
Well, I mean, you know, the important thing is that you need to move at your pace, you know, not my pace.
Yeah, sure.
So if that's the pace you need to move at, that's fine. You know, my experience level and your experience level are 2 separate things.
Yes, yeah, totally.
So, you know, somebody watching my videos shouldn't, you know, the goal shouldn't be, oh, I need to get to the end of the runway as fast as he does.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, the goal is to get airborne and return safely.
Yeah, it was like the acceleration when you're like on the runway. Yeah. It's just a different feeling with a jet. You're like back in the sea.
Right.
Climbs out like a rocket, kind of.
Yep, it does.
It's also fun. It's also, if you kind of think about the lifestyle, kind of was interesting how we just, you know, took us like 2 hours to go down to Florida.
Yep.
I mean, that's not long at all.
Right.
Very comfy. With the pressurization, you don't feel tired at all.
Right.
So, very calm.
Yeah.
That's fun.
So you're ready to do it again, huh?
I am, yeah.
All right, well, it's been a pleasure to have you along.
Thank you so much, Greg.
Yeah, absolutely, Simon. Make your dad jealous.
I will.
Well, if your dad comes to the U.S.
He has to see the whole entire video.
Okay, yeah. Well, so Simon's dad, what's your dad's name? Andreas. You come to Indiana and we'll go flying. So we'll create the level playing field with you and your son. So.
All right.
All right, cool. Hey P1D fans, thanks for riding along with me today. And as always, you can follow me on Instagram at Premier1Driver. And I don't ask for money for my videos, but if you want some cool swag, you can go to my website, Premier1Driver.com, and get yourself a cool t-shirt or hat. Thanks for watching. Fly safe. We'll see you next time.